Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Conveniently located just 45 minutes from Melbourne CBD and 5 to 10 minutes from Fountain Gate Shopping Centre, as your trusted automotive partner, we take pride in offering a diverse range of vehicles to suit every style and need. Turn heads in the 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 Black Edition, a perfect blend of Aussie muscle and everyday comfort. Powered by a robust 3.6-litre V6 and smooth 6-speed sports automatic, it delivers performance you can feel with every drive. Unique black accents and premium interior touches make it stand out from the crowd. Own a stylish, limited edition Commodore that's as fun to drive as it is to look at.